Today we are tackling a Power Query challenge, filtering the first transaction for each month from a transactions table. It's a great way to explore grouping and working with nested tables. Let's jump right in. Select your table, then head to Data from Table Range. To get the first transaction of each month, we need a way to group by month. Let's create a custom column for that. Go to Add Column, Custom Column, name it Month and use the formula Date start of month date. This formula simplifies each date to the first day of each month. Once added, you'll see a new column with the month start date for each row. Now we can group our data by month. Click the Group By button in the dialog box, group by the month column and choose all rows as the operation. Your table now has one row for each month and a new column containing nested tables for all transactions in that month. Pretty cool, right? Next, we'll extract the first row of each nested table. In the formula bar, locate the underscore symbol. This represents each nested table. Right after the underscore symbol, type 0 in curly brackets. The curly brackets are used to extract a specific row. Power Query uses zero-based indexing, so 0 in curly brackets grabs the first row, 1 in curly brackets grabs the second, and so on. Once you've done this, each group now shows only the first transaction from the nested tables. As the data is already sorted, we don't need to use table buffer function. Right-click the grouped column and choose Drill Down. This step creates a list of records containing only the first transaction for each month. To turn this into a proper table, use the formula bar and apply Table from Records. This converts the list of records back into a structured table. Finally, we don't need the month column anymore. Just delete it or right-click and choose Remove. And that's it, a clean table with only the first transactions for each month. Thank you for watching, see ya!